Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make buttons clickable in Figma. First of all, select the button you want to work on. Then, in the top right corner, switch from Design to Prototype. Now hover over your button and you'll see a small white circle with a blue stroke. Click on it, hold the left click, and drag the light blue arrow to the page you want your button to navigate to. A settings window will appear. The first option, Trigger, leave it as it is. Unclick. The second option, Action, also leave it as Navigate to. Then in Destination, choose the page you want to link to. And for Animation, you can choose any transition you like. But for now, we'll leave it on Instant. And that's it. You can close the window. Now let's test it. Let's click on the Register button, the one we just worked on. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified about new videos.